ad hoc ad hoc testing ad hoc testing ad hoc testing ad hoc testing is one type of testing. Ad hoc testing is a one types of testing, right? Types of testing. Ad hoc testing is a one type of testing. It is a random and freestyle testing conducted on the application. Random and freestyle testing conducted on the application. Freestyle testing conducted on the application without using the test case document. Without using the test case document. Without using, right? So if we want to test that application, we need test cases, right? We need test cases. But in the ad hoc testing, we won't use the test cases just by clicking random and freestyle testing. By using the error guessing, we will go through that testing of that application. It's an ad hoc testing is an informal testing. Ad hoc testing is an informal. Suppose if you execute the test cases on the functional application, that is formal testing. So ad hoc testing is an informal testing. It is a random and freestyle testing conducted without using the test case, without using the test case document. Suppose if you are not able to found any defects with the help of test cases, it might have possible that with the help of ad hoc testing, with the help of random and freestyle testing, with the help of error guessing technology, we can be able to find the defects. So ad hoc testing is nothing but is a random and freestyle testing conducted on the application without using the test case document. Is an informal testing. Suppose if you are not able to found any defects with the help of test cases, formal testing, then it might have chances that we can be able to find the defects with the ad hoc testing. So that is ad hoc. What is ad hoc testing? It is a random and freestyle testing will be conducted on the application without using the test case document. It is an informal testing. Suppose if you are not able to find the defects with the help of test cases, then there might have a chance that with the help of random and freestyle, there might have a chance that we can be able to, test engineers might be able to find the defects. And the next one is the exploratory testing. Exploratory testing. Explore, the name itself, explore different ways to test that functionality of the application. Suppose actually if you want to test that application, we need a requirement document, we need a plan, we need design the test cases, and we have to execute the test cases. We have to prepare the test data, design the data, everything. Test planning you have to do, you have to design that test cases, and you have to design the data, and you have to execute the test cases. But in the exploratory, because we have the requirement, suppose if you don't have the requirement, you have to, learn the application. You have to learn that application. Means you, by all the team members, suppose if you have the team members of 5 members, all the team members will sit together and they will try to understand the application, they will try to discuss about that application, and they will try to gather the information, and they will try to do the testing, and they will prepare the planning and designing, and the data and execution, everything will be done. Suppose team members, suppose any previous experience, test engineers will have any previous experience. So based on that previous experience, they will try to test that application, and by surfing the net, they will try to gather the information related to this project, and they will try to test that application. Exploratory, the name itself is an exploratory. Explore different ways to test this application when the test engineers won't have the requirement. So they will try to understand the document, learn that application, and they will understand the document and understand the application, and they will prepare the documentation, and they will proceed for the further testing. So this is exploratory testing. Exploratory. Actually, if you want to test, we need everything. We will have the documentation, right? But in the exploratory, because you don't have the document, you will explore different ways. Because you need to test that application. All the team members will gather and discuss about that application. And if you have any previous experience with that, this type of projects, if the test engineers have done previously, based on their experience, they will go through this application. They will understand that application, and by searching the net, they will gather the information about this project, and they will learn that application, and they will prepare the documentation, and they will execute the documentation, prepare the test cases and execute the test cases and the functionality. Exploratory means explore different ways to test that application. When they don't have the requirement, they will team will gather and they will try to learn that application. They will discuss about that application project. They will discuss about the project, and they will try to understand that. And if they have any previous experiences they have done like this project, they will discuss about that, and they will gather the information. And by surfing the net, if they have some stuff information, they will get, and they will try to prepare the documentation, and they will go for the testing. They will go for the testing. And one more is a buddy testing. One more is a buddy testing. Types of testing is one more is a buddy testing. Buddy, P-U-D-D-Y, buddy. Buddy means, you know, right, friend. Buddy means due to lack of time, lack means don't have time. Due to lack of time, don't have time, right? Due to lack of time. Test engineers grouped with programmers. Due to, and try to conduct the testing on the application. Buddy testing means due to lack of time, test engineers grouped with the programmers and try to conduct the testing on the application. That is buddy testing. And one more is the pair testing. Pair testing. So due to lack of knowledge, lack means don't have knowledge in it. Due to lack of knowledge, senior test engineer grouped with junior test engineer and share the knowledge, and they will try to test that application. Due to lack of knowledge on that application or domain, senior test engineer grouped with a junior test engineer, and they will understand that, learn that testing, and they will try to proceed for the testing. That is pair testing, right? Due to lack of knowledge or inexperience on testing, junior test engineers grouped with senior test engineer to share the testing knowledge, This type of testing is called pair testing.